this is giving. I don't know exactly what it's giving, but it's giving something like dressed up with some big dangling hoops. It's a look. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today we're gonna be trying to achieve some bomb heatless curls on our kinky hair using this green circle foam thing. So quite a few guys had tagged me on Instagram and on TikTok of this video that seemed to have gone viral and was being reposted by several different hair pages.
So separated my hair, wet my hair, brushed my hair, and got to work. I just went through section by section.
Jonathan K. Monroe, and yes, it took me a while to find this guy's social media handle because some of these pages don't be tagging people.
I was in Dollar Tree, saw this, and thought, oh my god, this could make some bomb heatless curls for $1.
Fun fact, Jamaica don't have a Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, a Jamaican dollar can hardly do anything. So I went on Amazon and purchased this for $7. Yes, I wish I found it for only $1 like Jonathan, but no. So my hair is already separated in 2 sections because this is how I washed my hair today. I usually separate my hair in like 4 or 6 sections to wash day, but today we only needed 2 sections.
So separated my hair, wet my hair, brushed my hair.
Alright, different texture, different technique. So let's break that down a little bit, okay? For our kinky textured hair, we're gonna need a little more than just wet the hair. We're gonna need to add products. We're going to be using setting lotion and curling cream. Adding some products to our hair other than water is going to help to keep our curls moisturized and to actually make them last a little longer. And know what?
So separated my hair, wet my hair, brushed my hair.
I think this section of hair is way too big for a brush. But let's not jump to brushing our hair so quickly. First, I'm gonna go through it with a wide tooth comb. Even though my hair is already detangled from wash day, yeah, to get nice, juicy, fluffable curls, we're gonna need to start out on detangled hair. Well, thoroughly detangled hair. So we're going to do it again. Gently.
So separated my hair, wet my hair, brushed my hair, and got to work.
The detangling was the work. Alright. So let's just add this on my head. Ooh. I think I should detangle this side as well before I start curling up this side, because as you can see, I might not have enough room to fully detangle this side with this side already curled up. It makes sense in my head. Whew. This might be a good thing. Just get all the hard work out of the way from now. Alright, ready again. Let's put this right here. Yes, that looks good.
And got to work. I just went through section by section, wrapping over once and then adding more hair all the way to the back, and eventually got halfway.
We're just gonna take a small sections of hair, wrap it around. Oh, I think this is where we need the brush. Just brush each section and wrap it around the foam. Okay. Thought that was going to be easier, but all right. Take up another small section, brush it through. See, I'm holding the piece here that I just wrapped around, and I'm taking up another small section and adding it to it. Then I'm brushing it through, smooth it out. Maybe my head just big, but I need to move the foam to wrap it around. I'm just gonna keep repeating that, okay? I don't know why, but I'm feeling a little more nervous than before. Not feeling as confident, but I'm still hoping for the best.
I just went through section by section, wrapping over once and then adding more hair all the way to the back, and eventually got halfway, and then boom, fully done.
And I guess for the last one, I just keep wrapping it. I'm not 100% sure how to end this off. It's not like I can add an elastic at the end. A clamp, no. Ooh, because this is foam, probably I can use a bobby pin and just secure the end into the foam. So, end of the hair is somewhere here. So I'm just gonna, oh, okay, that works, okay. Just gonna, whoa, stick that in. That's secured. Let me tell you what I'm worried about now. With the second half of the hair, I don't have the luxury to lift up the circle foam. So how am I going to wrap the hair through the foam?
There's people that are dying.
Alright guys, well, that really wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, to just do the curl part, it only took me like 15, 20-ish minutes. Compared to the other curling styles I've done.
Wrapped that thing up, tied it off with a silk scarf, went to sleep, woke up, and this is what we were looking like the next morning.
I'm gonna allow my hair to air dry overnight, and in the morning we'll see what kind of curls we get. Morning! So I've only had this in overnight, so hopefully it's completely dry. So the first thing is to pull out these hairpins that I had secured the ends with, and my finger's not doing it. Alright.
Now the big reveal, can Dollar Tree provide you heatless curls for $1? Oh my God.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull this out of my hair so smoothly, but let's try. Yeah, wait, let's try probably maybe if I just go like this, loosen it. Let the moisture. Let the moisture. I'm just curling the hair around. If it's completely dry, this shouldn't be a problem. Alright, wait, I can do it. Ready? Oh, wow. Okay, big curls. It's giving me jumbo roller set. Okay, feel a little moisture around the back. Sure. Am I going to be able to completely hide this part around the back? I doubt it. Let's not focus on the back. This is a front type of hairstyle, alright? It was easy to do. Not $1 cheap, but cheap nonetheless. And it didn't take too long to dry, even though the back didn't completely dry. I guess because more hair was around there. But maybe if I sat under the dryer for like 2 hours or so, yeah, that would have made the back completely dry. But the results I got, I ain't hating it. I ain't hating it, okay? Okay, BTs, I really hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I really don't see why not. Like, this is premium quality content, seriously. But it's alright, I'm not pressure you. Maybe you just need a little more time. So here's what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you can make it through like 1 or 2 more of my videos, it actually means you enjoy my content and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.